Hi everybody, welcome to my channel again. We're going on a solo ride, just me and the wife, headed to Quaker Steak and Lube. I already had somebody pull out in front of us, so I figured I'd turn on the camera and go ahead and start recording. Barely 7:30 and it's already dark. But nobody wanted to come riding with us today. Last week we broke down on the way and never made it to Quaker Steak and Lube. So this is our redemption ride. Probably cut it off a little bit when we get on the interstate. Save some battery for when we get there so I can actually show you what would be going on. Definitely not as much fun when you're riding alone, but at least me and my wife have seen us and we can talk to each other along the ride, so I'm not completely alone. It's more fun when you have other bikes. Less likely you'll be singled out by a cop for speeding or something as well. Try to keep it at a low keel. See how the ride goes. Of course, this guy had to come out to the left. Maybe it wasn't a good idea. I think that's a big truck in this lane. Something big and heavy and slow. Florida lane splitting is illegal, so that is why I am not taking off around this guy. And the light's red. Oh my goodness. This guy's a total tool. We're gonna get from behind him because he don't know where he's going. What's going on? Nice bike? You had one of these?
I got a little 600, I got a start thing.
Okay. You headed out to Quaker?
Yeah, actually I'm all backwards going that way. Well, I'm with you. I know I was going backwards, so I always do come out.
Oh, you going up to like 611?
I'll probably go, coming up, I'm gonna go across.
What? Trinity to East Lake?
What's that?
Trinity to East Lake?
Burger, that comes over to 41, and that cuts across over to 75.
Alright. Sorry, my love. Oh, he's gonna cut through here. I ain't going through all that. No, I'm not trying to run with him. I've seen him out there though. Alright, so we're most of the way here. Coming up on the spot of redemption, ladies and gentlemen. It was right about here that My tachometer dropped to nothing. My speedometer was gone. And that was it. We got up here to the exit, got off, game over. Indeed. $118th is our exit. Where we are going. I think the HID light that was on this bike is what burned out my rectifier. I replaced it, rewired it, put an LED light, that's why it looks blue. You know, I don't know why anybody would put an HID light on their car or bike. Like, they're not lower amperage. They are, but they have a higher pull. Like, it's not good for your electrical. Not like an LED. So yeah, we had nothing when we were here. No speedometer, no tach. Got up around this corner. She still was running. But then there was some backed up traffic up here, and that's where she died out. Right by this arrow. As a matter of fact, we pulled up behind the cones over here. Had a nice guy on a Harley stop. Jumped me off, you know, gave me a little bit of hope, and yeah, all for nothing though. So he got me jumped off. We come on down off the exit because really not much else you could do. So I figured, you know, let's try to make it to Quaker. Wait, you know, there. See how it does. Well, it didn't do well at all. We made this light, which we're not making now. Made this turn. We made this turn. And we got going like this. And right about here, I knew we were in trouble. It started fluttering a little bit. I guess because the battery was dying, the injectors weren't getting power to stay open. So she fluttered and stalled. I'd say it was right about here. And as you can see, not a good place to stall out. No shoulder to the right, no shoulder to the left, nowhere to go. And I had traffic behind me. So, you know, I did the only thing I could do. Got off the bike and pushed it. I had a light jog as far as I could until I got tired. Then I walked it the rest of the way until we got right here, and that's where I stopped. Waited for brother-in-law to come to the rescue. Sorry if I'm moving too quick for you guys. So yeah, and we were so close, like, so that's where we died. It was game over there. We were so close to making our destination. Like, it'd have been nice if it would have waited till we got up here and turned left and did what it did instead of doing it back there. Then at least I could have pushed it to Quaker steak. We could have enjoyed a nice dinner like we had came out to do. And, you know. But, that's part of motorcycle riding. You never know what's going to happen. And just along for the ride. Deal with it as it comes. But I'd say my fix is good. Are we still running? Made a trip to Clearwater and home, and now out here to Pinellas Park. I'd say I did a pretty good job. Go, Quaker steak and lube. Somebody's getting chased. Somebody's getting chased. Oh my lordy, lordy. Find a place to get in here. So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Smelling weed. Trying to look for a spot to park. Alright. Thank you, boss. Okay, love. Big.